Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. And today's tutorial we'll be learning how to make this pleating criloline fascinator. So this criloline is called pleating criloline. So let's then so we're going to need our criloline, we're going to need our scissors, our needle and thread, our Alice band or the Alice rubber. Then we're going to need our pearl, our stone, our gum, our B6000 gum, and our hot glue gum. So that is what we're going to be needing for this project and for this DIY. So this is the criloline. Just look at the criloline, is a little bit stretching. So and it has a pleating. It is in form of pleating, so that's why we call it pleating fascinator. Sorry, that's why we call it pleating criloline. Just look like, just look at it. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. I love this criloline. Just look at it. Check it. That's why I zoom in so you can see it. That's it. Just look at it. And this is the plain one. We're going to have the plain one. The first one I show you is the shiny one. It has a little touch of slavers. So and this one is just the plain one. This is the plain one. So let's DIY. So let's next thing we'll be doing now is our measurements. So the measurement that we'll be using for this DIY, so we have it in three places: the base, the first base, second base, and third base. So you're going to have three layers. So let's say we have two layers and one base, making three pieces that we're going to have. And the measurement I use here, I use 1 inches for each. That is 36. And for the base you can use 25, 30, just depending on how you want it. And this is the base, and this is going to be 25 inches. If you want to add more to it, and if you want it to be a little bit wide, this is the undercap. If you want it to be a little bit wide, that means you're going to make it 30 inches. And for this criloline, I have two pieces now. I've cut into two. That is 36. But if you want it to be more bigger, you can add 18 inches to it, or you can make it 50 inches. Just depend on what you want to do or how your client wants it. So that is it, and that is the criloline. Guys, it's different. It's still, I have three pieces of criloline. So next thing we'll be doing now, we'll be doing the base. Yeah, just like a little cap under the fascinator. So I'll be making the base. So the next I'll be doing right now, I'm going to fold the pleating criloline together. You fold it together. Sorry, I'm going to show you the ribbon. Ribbon is when you are done with your fascinator, you're going to use to cover your glue part. So let's go back to our work, and we're going to fold into two like this. Then you pull in your needle and thread, and you make a running stitching. Make sure you take it easy. You don't need to rush yourself. Just keep doing that. Keep doing that. So that is it. You be doing a running stitching to get the last weight, and you're going to tie it. Make sure you use your needle and thread to sew it. You pull that thread together, then you have a shape of like a circle. Just look at this. We are doing this for a client. You need to add more to it. So just see what I'm doing. So guys, what I'm doing is so easy to do. So you're going to use your needle and thread to tie it together. So in this part, what we're going to be doing now, we are going to be using that look at the criloline has the little thread at the top of it. Just pull that thread out. You pull it out just the way I'm doing it. You pull it out. Make sure you are very careful when pulling it out, so you're not going to cut out. So just keep doing that. You keep pushing that. You just pull it out. You keep doing that. It's so easy to do. So you're going to do that. You're going to bring it together to form a shape, just like a circle shape. So you keep doing that. So easy to do. Just see what I'm doing. Just keep doing that. You're driving me crazy.
driving me crazy. Oh. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
So now you're going to join these together. You're going to join the two together. Don't forget we have three types of fascinator there, just three steps. So you're going to sew that together, and this is the third one. This one is going to be at the top of the criloline. So what I'm going to be doing now, you're going to be making a running stitching with a needle and thread. The first one, it was round base, and the second one, it was we pull out the thread on the plating criloline, while the third one is a plating. So this one, now you're going to do a plating. You keep doing that, you do a clip plating till you get to the last piece. So what we'll be doing now, you're going to embellish with your pearl, and you're going to use your stone. Just use your pearl and your stone to do it. So that is the finishing part. Just stone it and use your pearl, your stone on it. So just look at what I'm going to be doing now. So this is my, just like this. So this is my stone. This is my stone. I'm going to use my stone to it. And for the back, use your Alice band. And after using your Alice band, use your ribbon to hold it, to cover your finishing part. And that is it. And that is the easier way to make this plating criloline. So you're going to stone it. Don't forget to use your Alice band. You can use the comb. You can use Alice rubber. Just depend on what you want and what your client wants. So you can check previous on my video on how to attach your Alice band to it. Then after attaching your Alice band to it, make sure you use your ribbon or bias or streaming to cover it. So just see what I'm going to be doing now. So I'll be stoning it now. So I'm stoning it now. Just look at it, and this is so easy to do. So you're going to use a B6000. So this is my B6000. Just glue it on. You can use the ordinary stone. You can use the shiny stone. Just depend on what you want to use. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. If you are seeing my video for the first time, this is Sabrina. Comment on my videos. Follow me on social media and on Instagram, style by Minum. So bye guys, and guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. And before I'm going to be leaving here, don't forget to check both of my videos, all my videos on how to make turban, how to make fascinator. I have a lot of videos on how to make ruffle, how to make a full pleated turban. Just check previous on my videos and see what you can do. Do it by yourself. Do it by yourself, guys. Do it by yourself, guys. And that is the finishing look part. So that's the finishing look part. So this is the picture I saw online, and I decided to make it for you guys. Bye.
You're driving me crazy.